we're doing another Howl's Moving Castle project and I don't want to hear another word about it. Not one word, so help me. Today, we're doing Turnip Head as cake pops. And he looks exactly like a cake pop. And I don't know why I haven't found him anywhere on the internet as a cake pop. So we're doing it. We're doing it today. You're gonna bake that cake according to the instructions. 3 eggs. How about the fillings out of my teeth, for crap's sake? La 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 la. La 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 la. Taste it while there's still no eggs. Now add the eggs, you fool. Now add it to the pan. Put it in the oven then. Leave it in there for 20 minutes or so. Give or take. Look at the box. At 350 degrees. So the recipe I followed had you bake a cake and then mix it with frosting, but that didn't quite pan out, so I decided to use these molds instead. I just want you to know, it doesn't have to be perfect, so don't worry about it. Just put it in the oven, just keep an eye on it, and then when you think it looks ready, stick a piece of wood in there, stick a skewer in there, stick a fork in there, stick a knife, make sure it's not gooey, and then take it out. So I ended up cutting the butts off of these little doodads and sandwiching them together. Not a traditional cake pop, I know, but it worked for what I needed it to work for.